Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you kadai rice, which is very simple and easy. So let's get into the video. Okay, now I'm adding one chopped onion and frying it well. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of haldi or turmeric. Next I'm adding 1 full size of capsicum and frying it. After it got fried, now I'm adding 1 full size tomato. Let us fry it. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Next I have added coriander powder, garam masala and jeera powder. Let us fry them nicely. Okay, now I'm adding coriander leaves. Fine. Next, let us add the rice, which I've already cooked and kept ready. Let us mix it nicely. And yeah, it's ready. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.